everyone, and welcome back to What's for Dinner number 27. Start things off, I made some homemade chili and grilled cheese for dinner. Absolutely the best on a cold, rainy day. This was delicious. On this day I made Mississippi chicken, a baked potato, and I put some butter and cheese on that, and I also took the skin off of it. Those are chicken flavored noodles on the side and steamed broccoli. Also absolutely delicious. And if you're ever curious about any of these recipes, 90% of these are going to be in the kitchen playlist, so check the description box as well as the cards. And I just wanted to share these with you. These are peanut butter cookies. They are gluten free, and I will have a recipe coming soon on these. They are delicious as well. So yummy and super easy to make. The KFC bowl, this is a copycat recipe, very similar to the real KFC bowl. What you don't see under the gravy is a layer of mashed potatoes, creamed corn, popcorn chicken, the chicken gravy, some shredded cheese, and a biscuit on the side. So good. Homemade barbecue sandwiches and homemade potato wedges. A recipe for the fries. They are very easy, and I hardly ever buy any kind of frozen potato now because these are so incredibly easy to make. But the homemade barbecue, I just put a roast in the crock pot on low for like 8 hours. And then I drain whatever liquid is in there. I put barbecue and shred it up. Mix that all together. And done. Throw it on a bun. Mashed potatoes, green beans, and chicken casserole. One of mine and Connor's favorites is chicken casserole. It's so yummy. This is like a comfort meal. It's so yummy. This also happens to be a comfort style kind of meal. A very southern style meal. Soup beans, cornbread, fried cabbage. Yum! And yes, I eat them all in a bowl together. Sometimes we have fried potatoes with this. Taco salad is also a household favorite. It's super easy too. I love how easy it is to put taco salad together. So there's taco meat, taco sauce, lettuce, tomato, cheese, Doritos. So delicious. Pizza casserole and cheesy garlic bread. Another recipe that in my household you can't go wrong with. Everyone loves it. It's always nothing left of it. Like, it's delicious. Connor turned 11 and I made this cake for him. He picked out the icing. He wanted a chocolate cake and blue icing, and he picked all this out. Except for I picked the, birthday decorations out. And I made the number ones to make an 11. So just simple and easy, but still a very fun cake. He loved it, and he had a good birthday. I just wanted to share this with you since it was food related. And since it was Connor's birthday, he got to choose what he wanted for dinner. And he chose shake and bake chicken, which is one of his favorites, stuffing, all-time favorite, Cheetos, macaroni, and cheese, the regular one. He absolutely loves these 3 items. This is what he asked for on his birthday. So this is what Connor's birthday dinner looked like. And you can't go wrong with having breakfast for dinner, like never. Like, this is always an option. This is always delicious. Breakfast tastes better in the evening. So biscuits and gravy, a fried egg with a side of hash brown. It was delicious. The last meal that I have to share with you today is meatloaf, peas, homemade potatoes, and homemade garlic toast. Always a really great meal. I think this also would be considered like a comfort, even a southern comfort kind of meal. And you can never go wrong with mashed potatoes and peas together. I love that pairing. So yummy. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope it made you hungry. Stay tuned for more in the kitchen videos and more what's for dinner videos. Don't forget to check out the description box as well as the cards for additional in the kitchen links. I thank you guys so very much for watching.